Hey guys, in today's video I'll talk about my 10 lipstick hacks. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about lipstick applications, so if you're interested then keep on watching. So my first hack is to use lip liner not just to line your lips but also try to fill in your lips and then apply lipstick. This will help your lipstick to adhere better to your lips. My second hack is to blot off excess lipstick with tissue paper. Drying the lipstick helps it last longer on your lips. To make your glossy lipstick matte or to tone down the color a little, then apply some compact or translucent powder on your lips. Invest in nude or completely natural colors in lip liners or lipsticks. So in case you think your bold matte lipstick is too loud or doesn't go with the occasion, these nude colors would always there to rescue. So you can put on these to tone down the loud colors. So my next tip is, if your lips have a lot of pink or red tone, then pat on some concealer over. This ensures that your lipstick color will look exactly how it does in the packaging. If your lipstick looks uneven on the edges, then go ahead and apply concealer with a thin brush to clean up the edges like so. An average lipstick can stay longer. All you need to do is swipe on your lip color, hold on a tissue over your mouth and then dust translucent powder over it. Make your lips pop by lining the lips using darker shade and then adding lighter shade on your inner lips. Make sure to merge both colors together using a brush. Make your lips appear larger by applying one shade of lipstick over your entire mouth and then a shade in the same color family that's a lot lighter. You can even use concealer if you really want a major effect in the center. Matte lipsticks could be drying on your lips. So before applying it, apply tiny amount of lightweight cream or lip balm. Then apply some lip primer. Remove extra product by pressing tissue over your lips and here you go. Your lips won't feel any dryness or tightness. So that's it for now. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video then give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.